So there we go, the exhaust wrap is installed. Got 2mm exhaust wrap, 10 meters, that did the trick. Pretty much took it from the downpipe all the way past the bell housing, gearbox, transfer box, and up to the first joint. So reason I put it in is to hopefully reduce the temperature around the gearboxes and definitely reduce the temperature by the passenger footwell. So there we go, 2mm exhaust wrap, GD5 130. So I've used this product for the first time. My bro used it on his bumper, came out pretty sweet. Doing a bit of spraying, front and rear mudguard brackets, rear recovery points. Happy days, spray job. So the rear mud flap brackets are on. I extended them, so I used the brackets from a 110, and this is all it is about. My rear recovery points, I've upgraded the beef of the meat sticker, it's bigger, got 2 bolts instead of 1. Same to the side. There you go, happy days. Flap flap. Here's our bash plate. Made this thing a couple of years ago. Super easy. It's bolted in here. Your high lift jack goes in. Bolted on the bash plate with a U-bolt. Pretty much got 3mm metal, bent it to the right angles. Put some checker plate on it just to make it look a little bit more fancier. And that's the bash plate. Right, this is the next thing we've installed at the bottom is a stone accessories diff guard. Goes right underneath the diff guard, so it protects the whole of the front diff. So the next thing we installed is a terra firma pan rod. Here she is. It's a little bit more chunky, and we've got poly bushes in there. Here's our rear diff guard. We struggled to find a diff guard for a P38 in South Africa, so I contacted Justin at Deep South Vapor Blasting, and he custom made a rear diff guard for us. So we're a big fan of diff guards, just when you're cruising around in rocky areas. If you happen to hit your diff, she is protected. Last but not least, our rear cranked radius arms. These are terra firmas. They're cranked over here, so it just keeps this bush more aligned and straight on the chassis, especially if you're carrying big loads and you've got a bit of a race suspension, which we do. So there she is. Happy days. Big, thick, chunky. This is what we need.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join our adventure.